thick cut bacon cut into 3 pieces, and cut it in half if using thin cut bacon. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs or chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch pieces. This piece is thin, so I will just roll it like this. Season the chicken with black pepper, granulated garlic, salt if using, granulated onions and paprika. Mix until coated with spices. Get 1 piece of chicken and a piece of bacon. Wrap the chicken with bacon and secure with toothpick. The toothpicks will be your handle later. These are all the bacon wrapped chicken bites I did. It looks good already. Put it seamed side down on a baking pan covered with foil. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out of the oven and get rid of the juice accumulated in the pan. Transfer the chicken bites into a plate or a dish, then get rid of the foil. I double layered the foil for easy cleanup. I do this all the time because I don't want to use a rack. It's hard to clean it. Brush or spray with oil. Then put the chicken bites back into the baking pan. Broil on high for 3 to 5 minutes on each sides. Cooking time varies depending on your oven. Cook it to your liking, or until the bacon is crispy. On the last 2 minutes of broiling time, my husband put cheese and jalapenos on some of the chicken bites. Broil until the cheese melts. Yum! For dipping sauce, combine ranch and honey hot barbecue sauce or just regular barbecue sauce. I love this combination. It's really good. Or use your favorite dipping sauce. Honey mustard would be great too. I'll try it and let you know which one is the best. Chicken and bacon is good. With cheese, tastes even better. Chicken, bacon, cheese, and jalapeno is the winner. The best combinations ever.